All right, let's do a little bit of weather. Talk about Hurricane Beryl. This forecast changing, and now looks like a lot more rain across South Texas. If you're heading out tonight, temperatures are hot. Please make sure you're hydrating as we expect 100 through 6 p.m., upper 90s through 7, and mid 90s through 8. In fact, we're going to stay in the 90s right on until the 10 or 11 o'clock hour tonight. Right now, we've got triple-digit heat, and look at these feels-like temperatures. 106 in San Antonio. That's down from 107 in the 4 o'clock hour. That's where Hondo is right now. Pearsall, Cotulla, Carrizo Springs, Eagle Pass, all feeling like 108, 111. At New Braunfels, Canyon Lake, very, very hot. Make sure you're hydrating and paying close attention to your body. All right, the first change on the forecast on the Texas coast for Port A, Rockport, Copano Bay, and Corpus Christi. We're looking at a 40% chance of rain on Sunday, mainly by, I would say, midday at the latest, maybe even mid-morning. Then on Monday, Tuesday, expect a lot of rain and some pretty heavy thunderstorms at times. Hurricane Beryl is a Category 2 with winds sustained 110 miles per hour, going to be making landfall south of Cancun, even south of Playa del Carmen, sometime overnight tonight, probably 2 to 3 a.m. She's still moving at a fast clip, 20 miles per hour, west-northwest is the direction, with, again, the Yucatan Peninsula in view. Now, once across the Yucatan, it is going to weaken. The consensus is that it gets out into the Gulf of Mexico. This is going to be Saturday morning. And once over those warm, deep waters of the Gulf, there is some intensification expected. See, she ran into some upper level winds coming out of the west, but once we get into the Gulf of Mexico, probably going to still experience some of that. And there is even some Saharan dust playing a role in weakening this storm a bit. Now, closer to the Texas coast on Sunday morning, some of the models bring in this landfall up a little farther to the north. She's getting caught in the steering current of the western periphery of this high. And see, here's what happens. We still have most of the models bringing the storm in. It looks like Monday morning, and again, that's overnight hours, like 2 to 3 a.m., south of South Padre Island. And then you can see a few models still bringing it into the Texas coast. Speaking of South Padre Island, meteorologist Paul Morellis will be reporting from South Padre beginning this weekend. So here's the rain bands and the rain forecast across the Gulf of Mexico, and rain beginning as early as Saturday with a few scattered showers, but it's really Sunday into Monday. And then once we get into Monday, we're looking at a lot of rain pushing in from the south across San Antonio. That's going to be rainy days and Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, even into Thursday. We're looking at a 4-day rain event, and if you miss this off the top of the show, anywhere from 4 to 6 inches of rain possible now in the San Antonio area, and those rain totals cut off quickly when you move west. All right, Ken's 5's exclusive 14-day forecast. We're going to go with 100 on Friday's high. No chance of rain tomorrow. A slight isolated shower chance at 20% through the weekend. But look what happens by Monday, an 80% chance of rain. And then we're going 70 Tuesday, 60 Wednesday. I'm going with about a 40% chance on Thursday. Even lingering into next Friday, a chance of getting some more showers. Saturday, Sunday, maybe just Saturday with a 10% chance. Might be able to drop that. We will see some rain-cooled air, too, especially Monday with a high of only 82. We'll be right back.